Hello and welcome to NetSurian's Q&A session. Today's question, does SOC location matter? Well, first of all, what is a SOC? A Security Operations Center, SOC, often pronounced as a SOC, is a centralized unit that deals with IT security issues on both an organization and technical level. The purpose of the SOC is to manage and enhance an organization's security posture. To do this, the SOC typically includes people, processes, and technology. Now, we're differentiating here between the location of security data versus the location of the SOC. Network assets, of course, are routinely distributed these days on premise, at home, in the public cloud, software as a service. It's very common for this to occur in a company's network. Effective operations, especially security operations, usually require that security data from all of these dispersed security assets be centralized somewhere. This is the location of security data, not to be confused with the location of the SOC, which can be, in fact, quite different. When you're thinking about the location of this central repository of data, think about data residency requirements. If you're subject to GDPR, then they might prefer location of that data within the European Union. If you're working at a financial institution, they may prefer that data remain on premise or sometimes in country. So again, the location of the SOC versus location of security data. So to our original question, does SOC location matter? Well, usually the SOC location does not matter. As you are aware, there is an acute skill shortage in the IT security industry, and this dictates that we use the best qualified staff anywhere you can find them. In any case, most people now prefer work from home, and SOCs have become distributed in that way, even the ones that used to be centralized. Of course, remote secure access to that central data repository is reliable and economical and easily done these days. Remote collaboration between SOC staff, well, that's a way of life now. There are some exceptions to this rule, however, that might require you to only have security cleared personnel and only those in country. For example, if it's national defense, you might only allow a citizen that operates in country on that data. Sometimes this can also apply to law enforcement. So pay attention to these exceptions. Otherwise, in general, SOC location does not matter. Hope this was useful.